what if I told you that in just 90 days, you could go from student to an IBM certified developer? Well, that's exactly what we're going to lay out today. This is your roadmap starting right now. Let's get into it.
So, first off, why is this so important, especially right now? Well, it all kicks off with this massive problem in the tech industry. There is a huge, and I mean huge, gap between all the open jobs out there and the number of people who actually have the right skills. Companies today, they aren't just looking for a degree. They are desperately searching for graduates who are skilled, certified, and ready to contribute from day one. 110 million. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's not just a statistic. It's a massive opportunity waiting for anyone who's ready to grab it.
So where does that number come from? Well, the World Economic Forum is projecting that by 2030, thanks to all the crazy advancements in AI and tech, over 100 million jobs are going to require a completely new set of skills. This is the exact skills gap that a company like IBM, a tech giant for over 100 years, is trying to solve head-on. So how are they doing it? They built this incredible platform called SkillsBuild. And the best way to think about it is like a series of 6 amazing gifts, all designed to make you career ready. So let's unwrap them one by one. Gift number 1 is just massive. We're talking over 1,000 free courses in all the hottest fields right now: AI, cybersecurity, cloud, data, you name it. And let me be really clear here. This is not some 30-day trial. This is permanently free access to IBM's own training content, built by the very same experts who developed the technologies. It's the real deal. Okay, gift number 2 is your proof. When you finish a course, you don't just get a pat on the back. You earn an official IBM digital badge. Now, this isn't some PDF you just download and forget about. No, this is a live, verifiable credential that you can pop right onto your LinkedIn profile, and any recruiter in the world can click it and instantly confirm that you've got the skills. This next one, this is a total game changer. A 6-week virtual internship. This means you get to work on actual IBM projects with real IBM mentors guiding you. The experience you get and that certificate you earn at the end, that's the stuff that makes a recruiter stop scrolling and actually look at your profile. Now, for students in India, listen up, because there's a little something extra for you. Thanks to some amazing partnerships with groups like AICTE, EduNet, and NASCOM, you might be able to unlock premium content and even mentorship. All you have to do is ask your head of department about it. And gift number 5 is where you realize this is so much more than just a library of courses. Inside SkillsBuild, you've got tools like a career explorer to help you map out your future, a resume builder, and even interview prep guides. So yeah, it's not just a learning platform, it's a complete career platform. And the final gift? It's simple, but it's powerful. It's the IBM name. For over a century, that name has stood for trust and innovation in the tech world. When a recruiter is scrolling through hundreds of profiles and they see IBM certified, they stop. It's an instant mark of credibility. Okay, so let's really dig into this idea of proof. Because think about it. Anyone can write knows Python on a resume. That's just a promise. An IBM badge, though, that's proof. And believe me, that difference is absolutely everything. So how does it work? It couldn't be easier. You finish a course on SkillsBuild. Then you get an email from a platform called Credly. They handle all the official verification. You click accept, and boom, the badge is yours. From there, it's one more click to share it right on your LinkedIn profile. It's a direct, unbroken line from your learning to undeniable validation. Just look at this comparison. It says it all. A line on your resume, that's just a claim. It's static text that a recruiter has to take your word for. But a digital badge? That's verifiable proof. It's clickable, it's authentic, and it offers live, detailed evidence of what you can do. It doesn't require trust because it's already been proven. So from now on, I want you to think of it this way. These badges aren't just pretty little icons. They are pieces of evidence. And the more evidence you collect, the stronger the case you build for the career you want. All right, let's get to the heart of it, the master plan. This is your precise 90-day roadmap to go from where you are today to an IBM-certified, interview-ready developer. No more guessing. This is the step-by-step playbook. So here's the 30,000-foot view. Month 1 is all about laying a strong foundation, getting your first 4 badges in the core areas of tech. Month 2, that's when you specialize. You pick a path that really excites you, and you apply for that amazing internship. Then, month 3 is all about execution. You build a project, you finish the internship, and you get your name out there. So let's break down month 1.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to complete the 4 fundamental courses: Intro to AI, Cloud Computing, Cybersecurity, and Data Analytics. And here's a pro tip. Every single time you earn one of those badges, share it to LinkedIn immediately. Build that momentum. Then, hop into the Career Explorer tool to see what skills your dream job needs. That sets you up perfectly for month 2.
Okay, month 2. It's time to focus. Pick a path. Let's say you're excited about AI. You'll dive into more advanced courses like Watson X Essentials or Machine Learning with Python. And this is also the critical moment. You have to apply for that 6-week virtual internship. The spots are limited, so you really want to get that application in. And now for the final stretch. Month 3. This is all about action. You're going to build a real project for your portfolio, something cool like an AI chatbot. You'll finish up your internship and add that shiny new certificate to your profile. Then you polish up that resume with all this new proof, and you start applying to your top 5 target companies.
And that's it. That's the transformation. 90 days ago, you were a student with a lot of potential. But now you're a developer with undeniable proof.
Look, I get it. A 90-day plan can feel a little overwhelming. So you know what? Let's zoom all the way in. Forget 90 days. Let's just talk about the next 7. Because honestly, every day you rate is a day that someone else is getting ahead of you.
So here it is, your 7-day challenge. Day 1, just go to skillsbuild.org and register. It takes 5 minutes. Day 2, send a quick email to your department asking for that access code. Day 3, start the Introduction to AI course. By day 5, finish it and share that very first IBM badge. Then on day 6, you start the next course, and on day 7, you use the career tool to map out your big picture goals. See? Super simple, daily steps.
I want you to really think about that. In just 1 week from today, you could already have 2 IBM badges on your profile and a clear plan for your future. Just by doing that, you will be ahead of 95% of your peers. That is the power of just getting started. You know, for over 100 years, IBM has been helping the world get ready for the future of technology. And now they're helping you. The platform is free, the plan is clear, and the opportunity is sitting there, waiting for you at skillsbuild.org. IBM is ready. The only question left is, are you?